Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today we are going to discuss Unit 6. It is a longer conversations, everyone. This is the second part that you are going to have in the listening section. The first listening section is a short dialogue and the second one is a longer conversation. In this longer conversation, you will have to listen to what is it? You have to answer several questions. Yeah, you have to answer several numbers, not like in a short conversation, not like in a short dialogue, one dialogue for one number, but in these longer conversations, you have to answer several questions from one conversation. Now, what you are going to learn here is the first is identifying the topic, and then drawing conclusion who, what, where, and when, and also listening for specific information. To identify the topic, you need to listen carefully to what the speaker say in the beginning of a longer conversation, because usually the topic is mentioned in the beginning. Usually a dialogue is started with a question, and the first question is usually asking about specific thing. Now that's going to be the topic. For example, if I ask you something like this, did you watch last night football match? Did you watch last night's football match between team A and team B, for example? Now, the topic is about a football match, right? Based on the first question, so in the following, the following person will talk about, or will give the answer about the question, which is about the football match. So once again, if you want to know the topic of the longer conversation, you have to listen to the first part, or to the beginning of a longer conversation. And then to draw a conclusion, you have to what is it? The strategy is, while listening to the longer conversation, is you try to figure out, you try to picture the situation of the conversation to help you draw a conclusion. So you try to imagine where are they, who are they, based on the expressions that they use. Yeah, that's drawing conclusion about who, what, where, and when. And then the last one here, which is about specific information, over here, let's say, okay, listening for specific information. In this part, you are going to search specific information mentioned by the speakers, and pay attention to this. Usually a longer conversation, the order of the answers is based on the dialogue. I mean, it's going to be mentioned by sequence. If it is question number one, the answer will be mentioned first. Question number two, the answer will be mentioned after question number one. Question number three, you will find the answer for question number three is after they mention the answer for number two. Yeah, that's in order. The sequence is in order, so it's not random. Yeah, that's one advantage of listening for TOEFL test. Okay, we are going to have the exercise later in our class group. Yeah, in our class. Thank you for watching this video.